Hello guys, this is Roy from Arena Mini 4-Wheel Drive Club, Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. And for this video, I'm going to unboxing this Manta Ray Mark II Black Special, the item number 95466. So we're gonna see what parts come with on this unit, and is anything special in this unit, and what's the score this car gonna get from my score list. Okay, so let's start the video. Check it out. Okay, so let's see. For this Manta Ray body, is clear smoke black. Okay, and so this is the stickers. Okay, and parts is blue. And for this, the front and rear part, it's fiberglass ring-enforced chassis. The front and the back, those two pieces, is fiberglass ring-enforced. Okay, and the ABS MS chassis. Okay, and it's MS, not MSL. Okay, and it comes with the 5-spoke large size wheels and the color gunmetal, and the large arch tire, material hard, and the gear ratio is 4.1. Okay, so this is basically everything from this unit. And so far I can say for this car, it's a MS chassis. It's the old version MS, and the new version MS is called MSL. The MS chassis, L stand for light, so lightweight. So this is the, you can see it's different, and the switch is also different as well. And my personal, I like the MS chassis better than the MSL. So for me, this car is pretty good, and especially the color is blue, and that's really hard and to find. It's especially the dark blue. It's only come within the units. So this car, let's see what's the score that we get from the score list. Okay, so check it out. Okay, so this is the scoreboard for this unit. So for the chassis, I give them 1 point because it's ring enforced front and the back. And for the body, I give them 0.75 because it's plastic hard, but it's smoke black. And for the gear ratio, I give them 0.5 because it comes with the 4:1. And the wheels, I give them 0.5, and it's regular wheels. So the tire is large arch tire, hard material, so I give them 0.75. And the others 0.5 is because it's dark blue chassis, and that's pretty hard to find, and it's only come with the units, so that's pretty special. So the total score for this car is 4/5. Okay, so this is today's video, and if you like this video and you want to see more video like this, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you. I'll see you next time.